A very good morning to all of you. In this class, we will take mixed practice set that is related on profit percent, loss percent, simple interest, and unitary method. So our first question that is related on the topic gain or loss percent. Akram bought 480 pence at rupees 96 a dozen. He sold 250 of them at rupees 8 each and the remaining at rupees 6 each. Find his gain or loss percent. At first, the CP of 480 pence. The CP of 1 dozen is 96. CP of 1 dozen is 96. Means the rate of 1 piece rupees 8. The value of 12 equal to 96. So 12 8s are 90. Means the CP of 1 pair is rupees 8. So 480 into 8. So 8 0 0 8 8 is 64. 6 carry 8 4 is 32 and 6 38. 3,840 rupees is CP of 480 pence. Now he sell them at two different rates. At first 250 of them at rupees 8 each. The SP of 250 pence. Rupees 8 each means 250 into 8. So it is equal to 2000 rupees. And the remaining at rupees 6 each. The SP of 480 minus 250 equal to 30. So the SP of 230 pence equals 230 into rupees 6 each. 230 into 6 equals 1380 rupees. It is her SP on different rows. So the total SP equals 3,380 rupees. It is her total selling price and the total CP is 3,840 rupees. Find his gain or loss percent. In this condition, we will see that the CP is 3,840 and the SP is 3,380. So it is clear in this he will take loss. So loss equals CP minus SP. The value of CP is 3,840 minus the value of SP is 3,380. So 0, 40 minus 8, 6, 7 minus 3, 4. 460 rupees loss. It is loss. Now we find loss percent. So percent loss equals loss upon CP. 460 upon CP is 3,840 into 100. 0 0 cancel. Now this number is divided by 2. 23 and 2 ones are 2. 18, 2 9 18, 2 2 are 4. Now 23 into 100 percent of equals 2,300 upon 192. This is divisible by 4. 4 5s are 20. 3 carry 30. 4 7s are 28. 24 5s are 20. 4 4s are 60. 3 carry 32. 4 8s are 30. Means 575 upon 48. So 48 ones are 48. 9 carry 95, 48, 2 are 96, near about 12%. It is not exact value, near about 12%. This is loss percent. Now our second question. In a school, 18% of the students were absent on Saturday. If 1230 students were present on that day, find the total students in the school. 18% of the students were absent, and it is the data of present students. So, present students. 18% were absent means 100 minus 18%. It is the data of present students. So it is equal to 82%. And here the value of this is given 1230 students. Means 82% is equal to 1230. So 1% equals 1230 upon 32. The total means 100%. So 100% equals 1230 upon 82 into 100. 41 to the 82, and after dividing by 2 6 are 12, 2 1 are 2, 10, 2 5 are 10. This number is divisible by 41. 41 1 are 41, 20 carry 205, 41 5, 205. So 15 into 100, and this is equal to 1500. These are the number of total students in the school. 1500 students. Now our third question. The interest on a sum for rupees. The interest on a sum for 8 years at 3% per annum is rupees 96 more than the interest for 9 years at 2% per annum. Calculate the sum. The interest on a sum for rupees for 8 years means T1, the value of first time, 8 year, and the first rate we will take R1 3% per annum is 96 more than the interest for 9 years means T2. Second time is 9 years, and the second rate is 2%. R2 equals 2%. The difference of her interest is given, and the interest difference is 96. Difference of SI equals rupees 96. Calculate the sum. On a sum means the value of P is same for both conditions. So we will find this principal. So the formula SI equals P R1 into T1 upon 100 minus P into R2 into T2 upon 100. The difference of interest is given, so we will take this formula, and principal is same in both cases. The difference of SI is 96. Here P upon 100 is common in both conditions. P upon 100 is common in both conditions. So it is equal to R1 T1 minus R2 T2. 96 P upon 100. R1 T1. R1 is 3, T1 is 8. So 3 into 8 minus R2 T2. R2 is 2 and T2 is 9. 2 into 9. So 96 equals P upon 100. 3 8 is 24 minus 9 to the 18. 24 minus 18. So 96 equals P upon 100 into 6. So 96 16 time divide. So P equals 1600 rupees. It is our sugar. P equals rupees 1600. Our next question, question number 4. Divide rupees 1500 into divide rupees 15,000 into two parts such that the interest on first part for 3 years at 5% per year is equal to the interest on the second part for 2 years at 8% per year. The amount or the value of P is 15,000 and we divide it into two parts, but the ratio is not given. So the first part we will take it x rupees. So the first part x rupees and the second part we will take 15,000 minus x rupees, because the total value is 15,000 and after adding x axis cancel and our final value is 15,000. The first time T1 is 3 year, T1 equal to 3 year, and R1 first rate equals 5 year, 5%. The value of second time T2 equals 2 year, T2 equals 2 year, and the second rate, that is R2, equals 8%. 8%. Now it is called that the SI is equal, means the simple interest in both cases is equal. So P1 into R1 into T1 upon 100 equals P2 into R2 into T2 upon 100. 100 from both sides will be cancelled. Now we put the value. The first part means P1 equal to x, it is P1, and we take it is P2, second principal. The value of P1 is x, first rate 5 and first time is 3 equals the second principal 15,000 minus x into the second rate, that is 8, and the second time, that is 2. Now 5 to the 15x equals 8 to the 16. 15,000 into 16 means 15,000 minus x into 60. So we will write 15x equals 000 16 5 is 80, 0 8 carry 16 and 8 24. 000 16 5 is 80, 0 8 carry 16 8 2 lakh 40,000 minus 16x. Now 15x plus 16x equal to 2 lakh 40,000. 2 lakh 40,000 is 31x equals 2 lakh 40,000. So x equals 2 lakh 40,000 upon 30. After dividing this, we will find the value of x. So x equals 31 at first it is divisible by 7 times. 31 7 are 270, 23 carry 230. Now fifth second time it is also divisible by 7. 13 carry 130, 13, 31 4s are 31 divides 2,40,000. 2,40,000. 31 7 270, 23 carry 230. Now also given 7 times 270. 13 carry 0, 31 4 124. 6 carry 60, 31 2 approximate 2 times. So the first value is 7,742 rupees. It is the value of x. It is the value of x. And our second part, that is 15,000 minus x. So 15,000 minus 7,742, and it is equal to 10 minus 2, 8, 9 minus 4, 5. Here 9 minus 7, 2, and the value is 7. 7,258 rupees approximately. It is our second part. It is second part and it is the first part. Now last question, that is homework for you. A bus covers 486 km in 10 hours. How long will it take to cover 1,215 km? Solve this question and give your answer in comment box. Thank you for watching.